Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into RedReview.info, a site that looks incredibly tempting at first glance by promising easy rewards and gift cards just for taking surveys. Because, as we all know, the internet is basically a giant non-profit organization just waiting to hand out free cash for your groundbreaking thoughts on laundry detergent. But before you start spending that imaginary money, let's look at the reality. The first major red flag is that RedReview.info doesn't even have its own home. It immediately redirects you to a completely different site called RedReview.com. It's about as professional as a five-star restaurant operating out of the back of a suspicious-looking van. When we checked the domain registration, things got even weirder. The site was only registered in July 2025, making it so new it practically hasn't happened yet. With zero history and no credibility, it's harder to trust than a toddler with a permanent marker. If you're looking for customer support, you might want to lower your expectations to zero. There's no phone number or live chat, just one lonely email address buried deep within a privacy policy. If something goes wrong, you're more likely to get a response by shouting into a canyon than by reaching out to their support team. Then there's the classic bait, the promise of a $750 reward and a limited-time offer to create a false sense of urgency. It's one of the oldest tricks in the book, designed to make you sign up before your brain can remind you that no real company pays hundreds of dollars for a 3-minute poll. To top it all off, they proudly display Trustpilot reviews on their homepage that don't actually exist on the real Trustpilot. Apparently, their glowing reputation lives in the same imaginary realm as unicorns and calorie-free pizza. The final verdict is clear: stay far away from RedReview.info. Your privacy is worth way more than a fake gift card, so stay smart and stay safe.